Hello everyone, how you all doing? Picking up with this C-Class. As you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be looking at changing over the rear door to this. This is a quick how-to. It is going to be different from doing the front door. This one will probably be a quicker and easier video to do. So I'm hoping to get this done within 2 hours. A couple of things I'm going to look at that I didn't look at last time with the front door, which I had to kind of sort out off camera, is adjusting the front doors. So right now what I'm going to look at doing is taking everything off this door and getting it ready to put on this door. As you can see, it has no damage here, whereas this one does. It's going to hopefully be a little bit easier than the front door. I've learned a lot as well with regards to it. The one thing that I'm going to try and do is change this window over. I can't change this one because you need to change the entire seal. We're going to change this one over because it does have the tinted window there. First up is removing the door card. So it's got the two screws, just one over here and one just in the back through under here, and then just undo all the door clips. So everyone got the door card off, and up next is to do the window. So just taking off the rubber grommet here, gonna lower it and then be able to undo the screw and take out the window. I've also taken off the little rubber grommet over here so I can access the door handle, and then I'm gonna basically undo all of these T25 screws. I don't have my drill with me this time, which is a bit annoying, but it's all right. My brother's basically borrowed it. Just gonna do all of that. Also unclip the wiring loom just over here so I can actually take out this entire module and then get it ready for the new door. So that's next. It's going to be a bit longer this time without the drill. Yeah, but it's all right. We'll persevere. Let's go. So I've kind of hit a little bit of a stumbling point. The rear window, to take it out, I'm not sure how to do it exactly. I think I'm gonna have to remove the trim around the top now. I probably would have felt comfortable doing that to this door, but then to do it to the new door and possibly damage some of the chrome and stuff, it's not something that I really want to do. I don't really want to look at doing that, and because it's already got to do a little bit of window tinting over there, I'm just thinking I'm just going to leave this as it is, because last thing I want to do is cause further damage to something that I might not be able to do and might not be worthwhile. So just on the two 7mm bolts just over here, just here, and the one on the lower one, as you know before, disconnected the wiring. So one bolt there, disconnect the wiring, and now the door is literally going to be able to be lifted up and taken off. So quite like this part. The reason why I have to change the module on this is, again, same as the front, which is the tweeters. The new one doesn't have tweeters on the rear doors either. So to power up the door card with the tweeter and stuff, you need to kind of switch over the module, which is what I'm doing. So yeah, time to take off the door, put the new one on. Awesome, this is good news. The new door does have tinted windows on the back, and I'm pretty sure they're just as dark as the previous ones. That's good news, don't need to worry about that. Managed to get the door on my own. It was actually fairly easy, I have to say. Just connected up the wiring, so now I'm just going to lower the window to be able to change the modules over and then literally throw everything back together. So this has actually been quite successful. Probably been about an hour and a bit. I was struggling with taking that window out for a little while, but because of the way I positioned this door and stuff, and because it wasn't actually on the car, it's hard to tell if the tinting is right. But yeah, this is good news. So let's get on with the door, putting everything back together, and then I can finish up. That was a good little workout. I definitely shouldn't have worn this jumper for doing all of that because yeah, I'm feeling hot. But the door is on, everything is basically as lined up as I can get it. It's quite easy actually to line up the rears, whereas the fronts, to line it up, you're playing with it because you're trying to basically work around it in this area because you can't really work on it when the door is closed. But with the rear one, you can work on it with the front door open. You can undo the two screws, the two here and two at the bottom here. I believe they're both T45s. And then just with the doors closed, just push it into the right places and then open up the front door and tighten them back up. That's it. The one thing that I wanted to show you all as well, along with all the other bits that I did earlier on, the little screw just inside here. Let me see if you can see that. There it is. Same as the front. You gotta do that to get the door handle off and on. It's quite tricky to put this back in. You gotta put it in halfway and then put in the rubber little support thing there. And then it kind of all goes into place. Be careful with that one because it just feels really awkward, and you're kind of doing it blind and going just off feel. But that's it. That's the door on. Really happy with the results. But yeah, we'll leave it there for now, everyone. I think now I need to really get on with some of my own car projects as well. Give me that support, everyone. Give me that support, and you know what that means. Please give this video a like, leave it a comment, and make sure to subscribe, because at the end of the day, these are the things that will help the channel keep growing, give me the support I need to keep pushing forward and get that good content out for you all. I hope you all have been enjoying yourselves and taking care. For now, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.